Hey Vito, what's going on? My name is Aiden Resendiz here, coming to you over at Audi Fall River. Today showing you this big, beautiful 2015 Nissan Armada. Stay tuned, let me show you around. All right, Vito, follow me around this beautiful 2015 Nissan Armada. Of course, you're gonna have in a fully loaded vehicle these front sensors helping you keep track of distances in this big vehicle. Chrome out wheels, sitting on all season Goodyear tires. Chrome mirror cap accents, chrome door handles, chrome trim, side step here as well. You do have blind spot monitoring on this vehicle as well, which is very, very nice. Follow me around this beautiful vehicle, taking a peek at that gorgeous paint. Now, you do have a couple different options here. The glass actually will pop out on its own by lifting up right there if you just wanted to utilize that storage space. Also, let me close this bad Larry up. Got a powered tailgate and a 2015. Isn't that amazing? Trunk space right here. Of course, this vehicle is equipped with a third row. Doesn't necessarily need to be utilized. It is a power folding third row. So you just fold it right down flat, nice and easy. Got one on each side there, so really nice and easy. Steps getting into this area if you needed to utilize that. Tow hitch, of course, is going to be standard in this vehicle. You do have some all-weather mats, some lights all the way throughout. Look, I'm looking for the button up there. It's right on the door here. Follow me around as well here. All right, Vito, take a peek at the second row here. Being that this is a fully loaded vehicle, we will be sitting on genuine leather seats here. Super comfy, super spacious. You do have DVD players right back here. One screen behind each of the front seats. Heated rear seats here as well. You got some cup holders down at the bottom. Some charging ports in this vehicle as well. Storage up top. Climate control, more storage here. Also, you're gonna have really easy access to the third row. Just fold this handle right down here. Seat folds down, pops right up. Makes it nice and easy for you to get in and out of that third row there. And I'm right back over here. Let me close up this passenger door right quick. Open up the driver's side. Let me hop right in, show you around some of the inside features on this vehicle. All right, Vito, let me show you around the inside here real quick. Of course, being a fully loaded vehicle, you are gonna have cruise control, some buttons on the steering wheel here for your Bluetooth audio, power tailgate button from the inside here, as well as some adjustments for the steering wheel. For the mirrors, you do have power folding mirrors on this vehicle, seat and mirror position memory, manual steering wheel adjustment as well there. As we move on to the center, you are going to have navigation built right in here. Sirius XM, AM, Bluetooth radio, fully equipped with Bose sound, super fantastic audio system built right into the vehicle here. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, all four-wheel drive system, so you do have the ability to change those specs, whether you're looking for two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, whatever the case may be. It's all customizable. Dual climate control in the front here, and a couple of the little features up top. Well, just as we move around here, wood grain, really nice. Seats are super comfortable, genuine leather here. You do have home link, and then a couple buttons up top here, just standard lights. You do have some storage for some sunglasses. Rear climate control is right up top here if you didn't want the kids messing around in the back, and this nice little sunroof up here as well. Alrighty, Vito, I hope this video was a little helpful in showing you around this beautiful 2015 Nissan Armada. I didn't mention when I was sitting inside here before, but the vehicle is sitting at 157 to 434 miles as we speak. You would not even notice at all. This vehicle runs like a top, very well maintained from the previous owners who happen to be my customers, and really nice people there. So reach out to me directly if you have any additional questions, concerns at all at any time. You can reach me at 774-322-1975. Anyways, otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for stopping by.